Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a short video on what your homework questions are going to look like and what to expect, and also the resources that you have when you're going to go through these homework questions. So I just randomly picked a homework from chapter 3. You'll get here eventually. I picked question number 11. It's a question where you have to find the sample mean. You'll learn how to do that in a few weeks. But the idea of this video is just to show you guys what happens if you get a question wrong and you want to attempt it again, and if you want some extra resources in order to solve it. So I'm going to get this question wrong on purpose, and I want you to see what happens. So there's going to be different question types. This one happens to be a fill-in where you have to put in the answer yourself. Others might be multiple choice, some might be drop-down menu. So let's say, for example, you did this problem and you got the answer 3. That's wrong. So you're going to click check answer. It's going to say that's incorrect. And then it's going to try to give you a little bit of an explanation here. So, okay, you're going to attempt it again. Let's get it wrong again. So again, it says try again, and it's explaining what the mean is and how you calculate it. So let's say we try one more time. And you see on the bottom here how it says final check. So you guys are going to have an unlimited amount of attempts for each question. However, if you get 3 in a row wrong, like we're going to do right now, so let's do final check, it's wrong again, you can ask for a similar question. So don't go to the next question and leave this one wrong because you're not going to get credit for it. However, I'm giving you an unlimited amount of attempts. So what I would do is go to a similar question. So basically what I did was change the numbers. It's still asking you to calculate the sample mean. But what I would do if I were you, if I keep getting these wrong, on the bottom, you see how there's an option for help me solve this or view an example. So if we click on help me solve this, this is going to give you kind of like a step-by-step walkthrough of how you would solve this. So it explains what the mean is in this first paragraph. If we click continue, it's going to say, okay, what are you trying to find? Are you trying to find mu or x bar? And in this case, since it's a sample mean, we're trying to find x bar. Again, don't worry, you're going to learn this eventually. Check answer, well done. So it's kind of walking you through on how to solve this. So this is one option that you have. Another option is view an example. So let's say you want to see a similar example altogether. If you click on view an example, it's going to give you similar problem, but look, the numbers are different. And then it's going to explain step by step how we're going to solve this. So if we click continue, it's going to say, okay, this is what we're trying to find. We're trying to find X bar, continue. Then it says, okay, in order to find the mean, first what we have to do is find the sum of the sample, and so on and so forth. So you see how it's taking you step by step by step. And then once you finish that, now you could attempt your problem all over again. There's also get more help here. If you click on that, you could click on textbook and it's going to bring you to the section in the textbook where this topic is explained. Or you could also ask my instructor. So when you click on ask my instructor, it's going to automatically send me an email with a screenshot of this same problem. And you could type a message here saying, hey, Professor Rojas, this question's giving me trouble, and then explain to me why. So don't just send me the screenshot without telling me what's giving you trouble. So if you tell me what you're stuck on, I'll be more than happy to help you. I could write up a solution and I could send it right back to you. Okay, so just make sure if you are going to use the Ask My Instructor tool that you send an email along with it. So this is a pretty good idea of what to expect when you're doing the homework questions, okay? I wanted you to be aware of all the extra resources that you have when solving these questions.